All right, it's June 14th. We have a very expensive hole in the ground. They're supposed to be pouring our foundation on Tuesday or Wednesday. I think they'll probably have to wait for this water to dry up. They told us our house will be ready in October. That seems really quick, so we'll see if that happens or not. Okay, we're back at my house today. They poured footers, but it's been raining, and Kurt and I are really happy about the rain because we thought our house was gonna be ready in like December, and they told us October, but with it being full, that's delaying us a little bit, so we'll have more money in the bank by the time closing comes around if it gets delayed enough that we have more paychecks. So we are back at the house, and they have the forms and the foundation walls poured. There's no water in the hole. Our swimming pool is dried up. Okay, it's July 7th. This is our garage here. We've got our rec room here. And then this is our basement. We have a rough-in for a finished bathroom one day, and then the rest of it there. And then this is gonna be our front porch. It's July 16th. It's 95 degrees outside. There's like no progress other than they poured the cement slabs. Okay, it's 2 days after this picture when Kurt was here, and they have done a lot more with the walls. We have a lot more walls than just this one and that back one there. And they have a second story wall too. They said they're finishing the first story this week, which today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, and starting on the second story next week, which is crazy. Here's another view. This is my pantry right here, and that's my kitchen.